So in our previous video, we had this problem right here. We wanted to figure out the variable x. We said that the length and width here were 10, and then that expression 2x minus 3, we wanted to solve for x, like I just said. We knew the area was 50, and we had area is equal to length times width. We set up an equation that involved eventually distribution. We had 50 is equal to 10 times the quantity 2x minus 3, because we did that length times that width. Maybe there's another way in this scenario to solve the problem. I just wanted to quickly go ahead and show that to you because maybe, hey, this is the way that your brain works, trying to give you a couple different avenues to get to the same exact final answer. So if you know the area is 50 and length times width is equal to area, we can see here that one of the measurements, specifically the 10 up here, is a whole number just like the area is. So maybe, just maybe, we can kind of understand here that I know one of the sides. One of the sides is 10 feet. This side right here is kind of the mystery, and can we quickly figure that out? Well, if I do 10 and understand that there's a question mark there, I don't know what this is. Maybe you can say to yourself a little bit quickly, hey, wait a minute, length times width is 10, or length times width is equal to 50 here. If I just divide both sides by 10, then that means that other side, the other side in the problem, not the 10, would have to be 5. So if I understand that this side right here has to be a total of 5, that's not what x is equal to, I can take this information here, 2x minus 3, and knowing that the side altogether has to be 5, and I can set up a two-step equation that way. And doing it this way would give you a little bit smaller numbers, but remember now, we need the same exact x value. In the previous video, the x was equal to 4. Let's make sure we get it here. I got 2x minus 3. That's what the algebraic representation is for that side. And we know that the side measurement has to be the number 5, because 10 times 5 is equal to 50. Here, again, we have to do some math. There's a two-step equation. I want to add 3 to both sides. Negative 3 plus 3 on the left. That would give me 0, which is great because it leaves me with the term with the variable all by itself, 2x. And 5 plus 3 is 8. And then I go ahead, 2 times x, the coefficient 2 for the variable x. Let's go ahead and divide it to isolate the variable all by itself with a coefficient of 1 in front of it. And we do 8 divided by 2, and we get x is equal to 4, just like we did in the other problem. So it's another scenario that we have to understand. Good morning, Group B students. Mr. Harris. We have to understand that two sides are going to multiply up to the area. We understood that 50 divided by 10 would be 5, and we applied that 5 as that side to the algebraic expression 2x minus 3.
First face-to-face day of semester 2. So you are headed